So obviously not every building will be the same. We can't just stick to those figures of having a meter wide and so on. If, for example, we're drawing an old existing building that could be 150 years old where these building regs aren't valid, we need to then create our own specific stair. And we can do that by using the Create Sketch, which is a little pencil symbol there. We can click on that to start to generate our own unique stairs. There are 3 parts to drawing the stairs, and it's important that you do each individual step. So the first one is drawing the boundary of the stairs. The next is to draw the individual risers, and then to specify the stair path. So first we must specify our boundary. Again, we have the typical draw panel. I'm just going to use my line tool for this. I'm going to draw a line of 4250. And you'll see at the bottom of the line it says 0 risers created, 18 remaining. So I've just drawn one boundary to the flight. I need to draw the other side. So a quick way, I'm just going to offset it over by 1000. So there we have both boundaries to the stairs. So next now we must draw in the risers to the stairs. So we then toggle over to our riser. And again, we have the draw panel. We have our options bar. So I'm going to draw in the first riser. First thing you'll notice is the color difference. So the boundary lines are green, the riser lines are black. Next, I'm going to offset that riser line out by 250. And create my run. You can notice every time I'm creating a riser line, down the bottom corner here, it's displaying how many I've created and how many are remaining. So there's the boundary to my stairs and the individual risers. It's very important not to get those 2 lines mixed up because the software won't know what you're trying to create. So the last step is to specify the stair path. I'll just click in the center and run it up. The direction of the run isn't important because once it's created, we're able to change the direction of the stairs quite easily. Green tick to finish. And we're still in the editor mode, so green tick again to finish. And there is our stairs. You'll notice that the railing will automatically generate whenever we create a stairs. If you're not happy with the direction, just select the stairs and there's the flipping arrow and it will flip it the opposite direction. So like all of the components, these stairs are just types. So we can change the stair type by selecting the actual stairs, go into the type selector, and we have some defaults there from Autodesk. So if I there change it from a private stairs to a concrete stairs. As well, when we're creating stairs, in the properties section there, we're able to specify the desired number of risers. We can up the tread depth if needs be. And also we can specify the tread riser start number. So if we have multi-story building with multiple stairs, we can then change the start number here.